you have now chance to have your own lot. So marami kang pwede pag sa'yo na yung lote. So pwede mo siyang tayuan ng sarili mong business or mag-invite ka ng mga investors na magtatayo ng business nila sa lote mo na nagbabayad sila ng monthly rental pero sa'yo yung lote at nag-appreciate pa yung value ng lote mo. So ano nga ba ang shop house lot? Just tonight, nag-open kami ng 320 square meter na shop house lot na kapag na-turnover na yung lote mo sa'yo after 5 years, is pwede mo na siyang tayuan ng katulad nitong building na to. This is the render of the shop house lot. Yung first floor and second floor of the building is commercial use. Yung third floor is residential use. So the first floor and second floor, this is ideal for retail, food, and beverage